This is going to be a video tutorial on how to merge or unmerge cells in Microsoft Excel. I will be using Microsoft 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Excel here. I have Microsoft Excel opened up now. To merge or unmerge cells in Microsoft Excel, the first thing you want to do is select the cells that you want to merge. Say that I wanted to merge some cells in here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I'm going to select the cells that I want to merge. Say that I want to merge those. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here. Make sure you're on the Home tab. And under the Home tab, down here in the alignment area of the ribbon, Merge and Center. I'm going to click on Merge and Center. Now, as you can see, that has become just one cell. Now, if I wanted to unmerge this cell, I'm going to select the cell. Then I'm going to go up to the top, make sure you're on the Home tab. And in the alignment area, you want to click the little drop down next to Merge and Center. That gives you a few more options. You got Merge and Center, Merge Across, Merge Cells, or Unmerge Cells. If I want to unmerge these cells, I'll click on Unmerge Cells. Now, as you can see, the cells are back now. That is how to merge or unmerge cells in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.